In this video, I'm going to be hunting Leviathan for Sanguine Art. Watch me and my friend get destroyed as many bugs and glitches end up ruining my run. Will I get Sanguine Art in the end? Or will I rage quit and give up? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We started off great, but then the segment disappeared, so we couldn't actually beat Leviathan. I don't know what the segment is.
The segment. Me.
Can you see it? So it turns out the segments were falling from the sky. They were in the sky for like minutes at a time, and they slowly came down. I don't know what's happening. It's so far away. It's where you guys are. Yes, 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 yes. I'm comboing the segments. Come in.
Come back. Oh, this guy died.
We found the segment. We found the segment, Aaron. Do not reset.
No.
What is happening? Later, those segments disappeared, and we then found out where they were. Bro, he ate me. Oh, okay. Please stop launching me in the air, bro. Is that it? No, that's his tail.
Sounds so bad.
Yes, sir. It's just like he's not doing damage. I'm just worried about the segment. Like actually finding it. Look up. What the heck? It's in the sky.
What, the segment?
The segment's in the sky.
Aiden, get the segment, bro. Kill. Oh shit.
I'm going for it. I don't care if I get kicked out. There is a border.
Oh shit. Oh crap, bro. King damage. No.
Later, this segment fell down, but I was the last one left. Hacker, very wide. Oh, I think he died to a hacker. What the? The segment's here!
Hey, wait. Segment.
Yeah, it's here!
No.
It just spawned it. It's floating from the sky.
What? Huh?
It was floating from the sky. Wait, am I soloing this now? Now it was just me and the Leviathan. Oh, there's a segment. Oh wait, I'm killing Leviathan now.
Just be in that state. You got this.
Yeah, I got this. This is meant to be done with 5 people. I'm.
Not die.
He's on 250k. Oh, I'm dead. How do I get out? Like, what am I supposed to do, bro? The person who spawned the boat left. Okay. Oh, I'm on 1,000 health. I'm on 100. I'm on 100. I don't know, bro. He's so much high HP, bro.
Just chill.
I died. Bro, I died. He was so low, too. He was so low. Everything was going smooth. Nothing could go wrong until I used V4. All of a sudden I was walking really slow. I couldn't use any abilities. So I couldn't do anything. According to this guy, people were using hacks to break our game. He later said that someone was using scripts to mess with our game. I'm on 7k health. He's targeting me again. This is happened last time. Come on, 100k, 100k HP left. He's low, he's low, he's low. Oh, what's up? Where'd he go? I have nothing to kill him.
Did you get it?
Where'd he go? He's hiding! Come here. Oh my god, I'm actually about to die. I'm on like I'm on quarter health. Yes, yes, he's dead, he's dead. Why is he tornadoing me still? Oh yes, here's the boat! Bring the boat, I'm not shooting, I'm not shooting. Where's the heart? Where's the heart? Where's the heart? Go, go, go! Someone shoot, someone shoot! Should I shoot, bro? I'm not shooting.
But Aiden, you don't have time.
Alright, I'm shooting. I got it! I got it!
You got it?
I got it! Yes!
Easy.
Yes.
Come back, don't stop.
One eternity later.
Yes! That Hydra. I can see your name.
Am I coming to you? Oh, Nick, wait, are you with Nick? Dude. Ah, it's fine.
900 meters. Keep going. Yes, I got it. Obtained Leviathan art. Mythical material.